Here is the Cimt website. There is initial data of here are the users, initialized with this script. So you can see some users here. Why are there more? Anyway. Oh, here they are. Chemistry, physics. So to log in, I just have to select one of these users. Let's select Steve. What's the password? Steve's password is admin. Here he's logged in. So this panel here can be toggled. These are all the database tables. These are test routines. So for example, in resources, what do we have? These are all the resources. This is whoever has been the latest person to log in, extra stuff. Category ID is, these are the required ones. Last here is the value for the last incident, and this gets incremented. Resource ID, these are the required 6 items. Cost ID, these are the required items. So to add a resource, Steve goes says resource. Notice that the secondary function doesn't show up unless this is selected. Communications, so notice it's not in here. So let's select transportation. Then if I put this back to transportation, it's not here anymore. So let's pick engineering. July description. Capabilities. Distance 2.1. 1.2. Now let's make it 1.2. 0.2. Save it. So 200 means it's good. So let's see if it's there. So there it is. This is what I just entered. Let's add the emergency incident. Pick a date. Let's pick today, the 20th. Emergency incident on campus. Let's make it number limited. Enter good. Emergency. This is the database table. And there it is. So on search, let's pick, okay, I added this, a date. So let's make it July 16th. Let's see what shows up. Yeah, this is from today. Let's put it back a bit. 20th. You get more. So the resource ID is the Unix timestamp, so it gets converted to the date here. So let's take this out. Let's just select communications. Let's see what we get. So communications is primary ID 2. Let's see what it is for 3. Primary ID 3. Let's pick lost. So this is case sensitive. Let's put it to initialize it. Lost. So everything that says lost is found. So let's search on Yosemite. Spell it right. That's it. Sediment. Clear it. The plus sign clears it. Cimt. Okay. 4. Yosemite. Let's do distance from PCC. Let's find something. 2.5 miles from PCC. Search. Only one. Let's do 10.7. We should get more. So notice you got this one, 10.7. If I make it 10.6, you won't see that. Gone. And under Steve, let's see his resource report. So he's got 3, 2, 2. So that's 7. Total is 7. So that works. So let's log out. Let's try another person. Let's try Phyllis. Phyllis is pass. So Phyllis is got nothing. Interesting. So that's a bad one. Let's try Tim. Timmy. Oops, what's his password? Space. Here. Oh, interesting. Try one more time. Tim. Timmy. Good. So here's Timmy's, okay. Here's Timmy's resource report. So the reason there's not many, let's add more data. So this adds a lot more data. Forgot that. So let's do that here. Okay. So let's refresh. This is all Timmy's data. So 8 plus 3 is 11, 14, 15 plus, oh, no, 8, 11, 15 plus 6. 8, 11, 12, 13, 17, 2, 19, that's right. So let's see what Timmy has on, let's do another search. So this should return everything. So this is all the data. So now, notice that primary function only has 6. So let's look at all of them. So add resource. There's only 6 there. So let's change all of these with this one. This is going to add more users, more rows here, more resource IDs, category ID, and cost per unit. So let's add that. So let's refresh. I'll do it in here. So all of these primary functions were added from right here. So the ones with a dash are the original resource IDs. So you can see oceanography, NASA aeronautics. So let's see if this still works. So once I pick one, communications, they all show up here, except for communications. For unit cost, they're all there. Here they are. And what was the other one? Category D. Oh, this one. Add incident. So this matches up. Borg invasion, Martian invasion, UFO, scramjets. So let's see if it works. Let's log in on a new user. So Tom Brady. Let's see what he has. Oh, space here. What's Tom's password? Tommy. So that was found. So let's to look at the incident. Notice this is 10000. Oh. This is from the database, initializing of the database, so that doesn't count. So logger, who's logged in right now? Tom Brady. So these are all the rows. So it's basically this. So you can see how they match up. Cardio 1A professor is the label is 1009901. So let's add emergency incident under Tom. Let's pick July 1. Tom Brady retires. So look at under emergency incident. Tom Brady retires. Notice that this one, it says the ID, the incident ID +1. So let's add another one for Tom. One, 5. Tom Brady retires. Incident ID. Notice that this got incremented. Let's try what's left. Let's try so let's add another incident for July 7. So let's see if the increment works. Isn't it? 1, 2, and 3. So increment is working. I think that's about it. Well, let's have Cecilia search. What do we get? Nothing. E. Gotta bring up something. So notice it brings up just about everything. Let's do graduate. Search. So this works. After should I, let's see, 625, so it worked. To look at the databases, all the tables, this is what I have. So notice Cecilia is the last person to log in. So if I take her out one more time, logger. So say that is the last person to log in.